Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, seriously, you guys, I just found the definition of a dream kitchen. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a cozy Tudor meets cottage fantasy. It's totally giving organic modern royalty vibes, and I am obsessed. First off, the ceiling. We are talking about exposed rough-hewn beams and a ceiling height pushing 10 feet. That instantly makes this space feel gigantic, even though it's a perfect size. We're estimating about 14 feet wide by 18 feet long. And look at the colors. The cabinets are this soft, muted sage green, which is the perfect pastel. They contrast beautifully with the bright white marble on the counters and this massive 8-foot island. Honestly, the island is a game changer for entertaining, right? Plus the little pop of color from those dusty rose velvet chairs. Stop it, it's so chic. We have all the brass accents, the hardware, the faucet, the massive hammered dome pendants. It adds just enough bling without feeling stuffy. You know how sometimes a traditional kitchen can feel super dark or cramped? This design fixes all of that drama. They integrated these huge casement windows over the farmhouse sink, and then those French doors on the other side. It floods the entire room with natural light. The floral wallpaper is totally cottagecore, but the clean lines of the Tudor cabinetry keep it feeling super modern and refined. It proves you don't have to sacrifice warmth for luxury. I am so ready to bake cookies and sip lattes in here. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?